Welcome to an EasyGrouper tutorial on how to add a new user to your EasyGrouper account. In order to add a new user, you will need to navigate to your EasyGrouper account on a computer browser. Once on your account homepage, you will see a yellow Add Users button near the top. Once you click this, you will be given the option to add a user manually or to import a file. First, we will show you how to add a user manually. Enter all the information you have for a person, including their first and last name, email address, title, access rights, and phone number. You may also change the time zone for where that person is located, and the notification preferences on what you would like them to receive, as well as how you would like them to receive them. The different options include email, text, and phone push notifications. Before completing this user, you may choose to send them a welcome message and whether you would like to add another user once you finish. Hitting Create User will then bring you to their completed profile. Navigate back to the Everyone page to see your newly created user. To import a large group of people, we will now show you how to import from a file. Clicking Add Users again, select Import Your People from a file. On this page, you will see several steps to complete. If you use Microsoft Outlook or Gmail, you may export your contacts directly using the instructions located on this page here and here. First, download either the Excel or CSV file you will use to fill out the users. Opening the Microsoft Excel file, fill out the desired fields, and then save the file. Go back to your account and upload the file. Then select Check Import Now to process the file. The next page will show you all the users you entered into the file. Double check that everything is correct and then select Import these users now. EasyGrouper will then begin processing your users. Navigating away from this page will not stop the import process. You should then be able to see all the users you inputted. Thank you for watching this EasyGrouper tutorial. To see more, visit our website at www.easygrouper.com or visit our YouTube channel.